In this video, we are going to show you how to apply a PlayStation skin to your gaming console. Make sure you are in a well lit area before starting. Also keep a hairdryer ready. This will help you to apply the skin smoothly over curved surfaces. Inside your package, you will find two cleaning kits and your selected design skins for your console. Let's begin by cleaning the device. Use the alcohol wipe and the dry cloth provided in the installation kit to remove any dust or particles. Ensure the surface is completely clean before applying the skin. Now, peel the skin off the release paper and place it face down as shown in the video. Reattach the release paper slightly, leaving a small portion exposed at the top and sides. Flip the skin over again and align it with the logo and the console edges. Take your time. Proper alignment is important. Even if it sticks, you can remove and realign it. Our skins are reusable even after they have been applied. A quick note: avoid stretching the skin as this can cause misalignment. Once aligned, gently press the corners to secure the skin. Then slowly slide the release paper diagonally as shown, sticking the skin down step by step. Press gently with your hand as you remove the paper. See, it's simple and smooth. Now flip the console over and we'll apply the skin to the opposite side. Clean this side again using the installation kit. Peel the skin off the release paper and place it upside down as shown in the video. Flip it back and align it with the top and side corners. After aligning, gently press the corners, then slowly slide the release paper diagonally and apply the skin step by step. Press gently as you go. If you notice any misalignment, you can remove and reapply it. If you see bubbles, don't worry. Gently pressing them will remove them. As demonstrated, even when bubbles appeared, removing and reapplying the skin made them disappear. Now for the curved area. Apply warm air from the hairdryer for about 10 to 15 seconds on the curved section of the skin. Gently press it into the console. Repeat heating and pressing as needed. Don't worry about small bubbles, they will fade over the time. Finally, let's apply the skin on the black glossy power button area. Gently remove this piece from the release paper. Apply it to the console as shown in the video. Remove the release paper slowly and press the skin into place with your fingers. If you see any misalignment, simply lift and reapply. And that's it. Your gaming console now looks stunning with our Fomo Store skins.